Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirajana here from Leo Tales, and what we have here today is Glam Treasure for the month of October. So Glam Treasure is a lifestyle subscription priced at 1449 rupees plus free shipping. When there is a clothing item, you will have its size customized, and then there are certain makeup products every month. Sometimes you'll get a choice also. This one, there is a very interesting makeup product with choice, and I think you should not miss that one. So anyway, let's get started with the box. Once I open, I can see the info card that talks about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 products as usual, the festive edition, and here are all the products. The first product, which is also the star product, is by the brand I Love Revolution or I Heart Revolution, I Love Surprise. So this is basically an eyeshadow palette, but it's in the shape of an egg, and there are so many choices available to pick from. So this is a branded product, and this is in fact the star product. It is priced at 850 rupees, and it is an authentic one also, not a fake or dupe or anything. The variant that I went with is Mermaid, and look at that outer packaging. As I open the packaging, this is how my eyeshadow egg looks like. It's a very lightweight one. I love the color also, the blue one. And now let's open this. But it was a little tragic to see that one of the highlighters were completely broken. Very disappointing. However, this is how the main palette looks like. It has nice blue and green colors, perfect for creating that mermaid look, but this really disappointed me. But you have the other highlighter here, which is nice, but yeah, this is broken now. I'll have to get a replacement. Anyway, this is a very promising product. I hope this doesn't happen, but otherwise I think this is definitely the star product. The next product is this Ikat clutch. It's a very classic Ikat design, the pink and the blue. And once you open it, this is how the inside of the clutch looks like. It has an inner compartment with zipper where you can keep money or things like that. And then you have the sling also. So you can either use it like an envelope clutch, or you can use it like a sling bag. Next product that you have here is this. It is basically like a coin pouch, floral print coin pouch. That is what the info card reads. And this is how the pouch looks like. Cloth material, you can see that it's a shiny kind of cloth. See that it has a design on the front. It's not a plain one. It has a tassel attachment as well. You can easily put it in your bag. And this is the third product in the box that is common for everybody. I like the brocade like material. The next product that you have here is this. It is a set of brushes, Hello Kitty makeup brushes. It comes in this box. And yeah, it has for lip, for face, shader, eyeshadow, foundation, angled eyeliner, and eyeshadow stick. Okay, so this is how the brushes look like. This one is really fluffy, while the others are not very fluffy, a little not rough, but yeah, this one is really soft, and this takes care of your basic makeup needs. So if you are a makeup beginner and you want to experiment with some brushes, then you can definitely give this a shot. And these are very cute and handy and travel friendly also, because it comes in a very pretty box. Next product we have here is a pair of earrings, which is common for everyone. This is the very typical Glam Treasure kind of earrings, the stone ones. It is a very lightweight earrings. It has this nice pink stone followed by white ones. Something that you can wear on a daily wear or party wear, whatever that is. Super lightweight and can be worn with a lot of outfits also. So this is the next one. And the last and final product, which is a bracelet, and this is the beautiful pattern. It's a very unique bracelet, and this is how you wear it. You can adjust, so that is good. This is how it looks on my hand. I have rather chubby wrist, still it looks very fine, and this is how you wear it. I think it will be perfect if you wear it with a watch or something. I like the pattern, and right now the quality and all seems to be really nice. So this is a very nice jewelry piece that I've received. So these are all the 6 products that we received in the Glam Treasure box. Crystal studded earrings, Ikat sling bag, golden knot bracelet, floral print coin pouch, makeup brush set, and the I Heart Revolution surprise. So the thing is, I don't really want to go with these prices. Apart from the eyeshadow palette, which is like a branded product that comes with the price, I feel that the other prices are mentioned is a bit on the higher side. So I feel there is a bit more value addition needed. The coin pouch is exactly not much of a value addition if you ask me. So overall, I like the Ikat pouch and this bracelet and the eyeshadow palette. The other 3 products, they are fine, but I feel there is more value addition needed. So this is what I feel about Glam Treasure for the month of October. Let me know what you guys think about it. I would like to know that. We'll meet again. Until then, take care. Bye.